This country, it really makes you feel at home.
Bombay is a global city.
As a search through the dictionary.
An extraordinary or unusual thing.
Package called the Lollapalooza.
Kind of like the whole country's involved.
Lollapalooza could be the tour of the summer. Well, guess what? Guess what? Bitch, we back out. We ain't never let it just sound good. Guess what? Bitch, we back out. We ain't never let it just sound good. I'm Detroit red on a whole lot of egg out. Hand in my pocket and I got that check. Had a check for the shoestring. If you try to shoot things, might say I'm up. So try yo. No time to be looking out. Keep it on me if you try to doubt. What the fuck is you talking about? Chill out, homie, and watch your mouth. Guess what? We on. Me and Piggy, we down. We down. Up out of here. If we smoking that strong. Feeling like we just leave me alone. That's how we on. Me and Piggy, we down. Down. Up out of here. If we smoking that strong. Feeling like Mike, just leave me alone. Guess what? How we on. Me and Piggy, we down. Up out of here. Smoking that strong. Feeling like Mike, just leave me alone.
That money can't save you, bitch. Them guards can't save you, bitch. Your pimp just playing you, bitch. How you wanna be a thug and you rich? You can tell they was raised like some bitches. Groupie niggas always wanna kick. Give the sentence cause they want an image that pick up all of your evidence, bitch. They hit you plain.